guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Thato and you're most definitely welcome on this channel. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video, and join the squad, join the fam. I would love to have you join the family. Please do subscribe. We love to have you here. Now if you want to see how I created this gorgeous everyday, this is literally like gorgeous but effortless, you know, like quick makeup look. This is what I'm gonna call an everyday makeup look, and yeah, it's so easy to achieve, you guys. Just keep watching and see how I created this whole shebang. So because today's tutorial is a quick easy everyday look, I am gonna start with the face, because when you're not doing the most, you just want to make sure that your face is covered and you know you're flawless. And yeah, I'm starting over with the foundation. As you've seen, I'm mixing two foundations. One is the Revlon Color Stay full cover foundation in the shade Caramel, and the other one is the Yardley London Stay Fast foundation, the 24-hour foundation, and the shade is Caramel Fudge. Now obviously everybody's foundation preference is different, so some people like a dewy finish, some people a matte finish, some people more like a sheer finish, and some people like a full coverage finish. So whatever your preference, go for it. Use the foundation that you like. This is an easy go-to everyday look. I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, highlighting the normal areas that I usually highlight underneath my eyes, bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow and forehead and chin. Now I'm going to set my concealer using the Yardley Loose Powder in the shade Translucent Bear. Contouring using the Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in the shade Espresso. Going back to contour my nose. I'm going to go into this Beauty Treats blush palette and go into that shade. I'm using the Rimmel London Kate's highlighting palette, and I'm going into that gold middle shade. Going into the gold again with the flat brush, and I'm just going there on the arc of my eyebrow. And the inner corner of my eye. Okay, now I just want to comment on the eye look. This is where you can leave it if you're somebody who's going on the more simpler side, or if you're running out of time. You don't need to do anything further than this, just to apply mascara or eyeliner and mascara, or mascara and fake lashes, and you're good to go in terms of eye look. Now if you do want to take it up a notch, I do go into my blush palette, and I take the same shade that I used for my cheeks, and I'm just gonna put that into the crease. blend it into the crease. Again, this is where you want to leave it because of the good eye definition, because of the shadow in the crease. Then that's cool. The little bit of, well, either a shadow, a neutral shadow, or blush as I have used, but that kind of defines. Now I'm gonna take it a step further. The final step is I'm using this eyeshadow palette, Beauty Treats 24 Rose Gold eyeshadow palette, and I'm going into that gold shade over there, taking some of it and applying it on my eyelid, the first half of my eyelid, just to bring it to life. Then I go in with my Essence Get Big Lashes mascara. For lipstick, I'm going to use the MAC Antique Velvet. So I just went in with my Essence Draw the Line lip liner in the shade Rich Mahogany to define my top lip. Well, more like the Cupid's bow area. Yeah. And so guys, this is the look. You don't need to wear lashes. You can stop it here, but again, because I'm extra, I'm going to put on some lashes. Yes guys, I am back and this is how I look. This is the finished look with the lashes on. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. Let me know how you would rock it, or how your everyday makeup look looks like. Does it involve lashes, or is it just mascara? Do you put on some eyeshadow, or do you just go bare? How do you do it? How would you like to recreate this look if you're going to recreate it? What stage are you going to leave it at? Let me know all the details in the comment section. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.